managing service levels in waiting lines. The waiting line models that we have learned about in this topic calculate just the average waiting time. But from managerial perspective, the average waiting time is insufficient because what we're interested is more what is the percentage of customers that wait more than a certain threshold or certain target wait time, right? The reason for this is, let's say, if you have an average waiting time of 1 minute, you actually have no clue about the likelihood that there will be customers waiting more than 5 or 10 minutes, right? It could still be that maybe 1% of customers waits more than 5 minutes, and maybe 20% of customers wait more than 5 minutes. So you have to actually measure these things empirically, and then you can try and control some quality levels defined as for example, this service level. Service level would be defined here as probability that the waiting time is within a certain target wait time. So, for example, we could say we would like 95% of customers to wait no more than 2 minutes, right? And this kind of measure can be used internally, or it can be used when we outsource services to external companies. We could, for example, agree in our contracts on one or more measures like this, right? I could say, for example, 95% should be served within 2 minutes, and maybe we could agree also that, for example, 99% of customers should be served within 3 minutes or 5 minutes, right? So we could have several of those service level measures set for different thresholds, and then we could, of course, oblige the company, or even use some auditing company to make sure that the service provider actually delivers the service as that we agreed on. There is, of course, no universal rule of what a service level is right, but we can agree on something. And of course, there is competition that creates pressure on every service provider to improve the speed of response and provide better and better, shorter for shorter thresholds, higher service levels. This is an example data that one could collect to assess service levels. So what we see here is, for each waiting time, we see a cumulative number of customers who waited this or less. So you see that actually in this chart, 70% of customers did not wait at all, and the remaining 30%, right? Again, most of them had a short waiting time. Very few had some very large waiting time. There was even one customer with something like 183-minute waiting time, or maybe average waiting time here is 10 seconds, right? So we could, for example, say, oh, according to this chart, for target waiting time 30 seconds, which is somewhere here, maybe 90% of customers waited 30 seconds or less. So that means service level at target 30 seconds is 90%. And right, we could say, does that match our requirement? Do we want to improve it? We could collect the data in the future and compare whether we improved or not.